Hi and welcome to day 16 of Festive Tangles. I'm Anica Gavro, it's a CZT from Croatia, and this is the 15th drawing in this series. I'm drawing Festive Tangles, and today's tangle is well-known for most of you. The name is Jetties by Zentangle, and Jetties is just like different orbs that make lovely baubles. I will draw a few of them and you can see how I'm drawing them behind and above each other. And then to kind of start giving them a 3D look, we will draw these lines or ribbons inside them and try not to do them all the same time, the same way. And maybe some of them will have a full ribbon, a wider one like this, or maybe they will have just one little guy like here, and you can embellish those however you want. I love this. This is just a tangle that you almost need to have. I don't like the shape of this, so I'm just inking in to mask the shape of it. They will not all be perfect, so just accept them as they are. And now I'm embellishing them, so there are different ways that you can embellish them. You can draw other tangles inside them, or just these different shapes. Obviously, maybe some orbs or perfs, as we also call them in Zentangle, just filling the space with some perfs, or this zigzag line that I used here, or maybe Tangle Duda, where I'm drawing these straight lines that go from the edges towards the middle, but they don't touch the other line. And then here I have this one little ribbon, and I'm just going to add some dots around it. And you can ink in those ribbons or fill them with, a color or dots or whatever you want. I'm just going to add a little bit inside some of them. And this is a 10 again, Jelly Roll 10, so it's not easy to be precise with it. And now for the shading, because I added some of these Jelly Roll details, I'm going to start with the shades below, and also wherever one of these orbs is placed on top of the other one. So I'm trying to enhance the way that they are placed above and below each other. This is such an obvious choice for any kind of a Christmas card or something that you would like to add. I'm thinking about inking these little triangles in, and I took a PN pen now because it's juicier, but it's not so precise, so it's fine as it is. Then I will add this smiley shaped shade on the bottom of each of these orbs. And here I have these little dots that hopefully are dry by now. And I just want to blend those shades without covering, you don't want to cover the whole space, because if everything is shaded, then nothing is shaded. I'm adding some white on the top part, so opposite of where my shades are. I think that this gold might not have been totally dry. Let me just add some more. But there is a kind of a 3D look to them. I will try to enhance this, and this is where you might use an Jelly Roll 8 or maybe even 5, 05, which is thinner than this one, to add this reflected light at the bottom. And now I will take my pen again just to retrace this line, add some more drama on this bottom part and wherever one tangle goes above the other one. So I'm trying to enhance that. And that's my Jetties. You can, you know, add as many as you want. I'm thinking about adding one to the left side, but I'm not sure. I think I managed to demonstrate how I would draw them, which is the intention behind these videos, and not just how I draw tangles, but also how I shade and highlight them. This white jelly roll sometimes needs some encouragement to draw. And the name of the tangle finally. So that's my Jetties, and it looks kind of sad and empty around them, so I will add bead lines just to make it a little bit more interesting. Again, my white jelly roll is challenging me and not working as I would like it to. You see now how it's releasing more ink. So that was one of my bead lines, and now I will add another one. And of course with these, the good thing is that with these opaque gel pens you can draw over the tangles as well, but I don't want to overshadow my little Jetties tangle. Thank you for drawing with me, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye.